Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Toyota Camry LT sedan, stock reference number 4964. This shape runs from the 12th month 2011 through to the 10th month 2017. It has a 2A RFE, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. 2A RFE, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, left boot lid garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, boot lid appears to have no damage, right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 2 small dents, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.